Got a question on TikTok asking how many days a landlord in California needs to give to raise rent. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Boy on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, assuming that this is a residential tenancy in California, the minimum number of days under Civil Code Section 827B is 30 days if you personally serve your tenant. Now, if you mail the notice of increase of rent, you have to give 30 days plus 5 days for mailing. So it's a total of 35 days if your rent increase is at 10% or under, okay? Now, there's special rules that if you go over 10%, and those would be for situations where your landlord is not subject to the Tenants Protection Act, not subject to local rent and eviction control, you can raise the rent more than 10%. The law does state that you have to provide at a minimum of 90 days notice if you were personally served the notice of change in terms of tenancy, or 95 days if you mail it. So rental increases can be a little bit somewhat tricky depending on the locale that you're in and any local rules that may apply to rental increases. Some landlords are regulated under the Tenants Protection Act. They can't raise their rent no more than 5% plus the change in CPI. You might be in a local jurisdiction that even has further restrictions like 60% of CPI or 3%, whatever is less. So always check your local listings. If you need help raising rent and so forth, and you're in the Northern California area, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.